Hello guys, so I stumbled upon a particular ad on Instagram today and I stopped everything I was doing just to record this video. Now in the ad, you can clearly see Serwaa Amihere talking about MrBeast investing over $100 million in a new project for Ghanaians.
Richest blogger of the planet, MrBeast, especially for the inhabitants of Ghana, created a charity project in which each resident can take his part and get emotions. For the last 24 hours, he gave away more than $5 million.
And if you want to redeem some prize from this money, you have to install a mobile app. Now I was a bit curious, so I started looking for details and noticed that the people in the video aren't actually those people. There's a software or a website known as Deepfake, which allows you to create videos like this, make people look and talk as if they are actually them. Now in the video here, Serwaa Amihere is not actually in the video. It is all created with AI. And if you take a closer look, you notice that MrBeast is also not the one talking here.
I love to do charity work. You can see it on my YouTube channel. I just want to help ordinary people. And with the help of my new project, a lot of people have already received theirs, and I do not plan to stop there. Many people do not believe. But on the streets of Ghana, I have already given away more than $100,000. I just go up to people and give cash. They at first do not believe and very surprised, but then cry and rejoice.
They are just using information they have gathered from his YouTube videos to just create something out of it. All of these news are fake. But I was still curious as to what app it is and how they plan on doing this. Upon trying to download the app, it sent me to a different website altogether. Now clearly I was warned that I was leaving the app to an untrusted website, which I'd ignore. And when I visit the website, I noticed that there are fake ads, there are fake app reviews, and a whole bunch of fake comments. So if you're Ghanaian and you're watching this, the moment you see this app, do not install or download it onto your device. And stay away from it as possible, because when you start using it, your money is going to be logged in and you're not going to get it back. And for those behind this app, why are you doing that? Destroying Serwaa Amihere's reputation as well as MrBeast's own. So again, if you see this app, everything in there is fake. Everything there is scam. Do not download it. Do not install it. Now that you and I know that this is fake, share this with as many people as possible and warn them as well.